You all are welcome to the social class. In this class, we can see the seventh lesson, Asia, Climate and Natural Vegetation. Already we have seen the physical features of Asian continent. No? Now we can see the Asian continent's climate and natural vegetation. Here, climate and natural vegetation of the Asian continent. The climate of the Asian continent is influenced by the several factors. They are latitudinal extent, distance from the sea, physical features, winds, ocean currents. These factors are influencing the climate of the Asian continent. First, we can see the latitudinal extent. The latitudinal extent of Asia has a vast latitudinal extent which encompasses the three heat zones. Thus, the climate of Asia ranges from equatorial climate in the south to tundra climate in the north. Then, distance from the sea due to vast size. The interiors of Asia do not experience moderate influence of the sea. Thus, the central parts experience extremes of temperature. Physical features: the mountains range of Asia run in west to east direction. Thus, they form barriers for the moisture-bearing winds, which come from the south. They also prevent the cold northern polar winds from reaching the southern parts. Winds: monsoon winds play an important role in the distribution of rainfall over a major part of the continent. During summer, the monsoon winds blow on shore. Thus, they give heavy rainfall during winter. These winds blow offshore and thus gives little or no rainfall. Ocean currents. The warm Kuroshio current and the cold Oyashio current influence the temperature of the coastal area around Japan. Now we can see about the winter. During winter to March, the sun shines over the northern hemisphere. Then the winter monsoons, which one is happened in the Japan, Southeast Asia, the southeastern coast of India and Sri Lanka receive rainfall during the winters from the winds. Here, the summer season, during the mid-March to September, sun shines over the northern hemisphere. Here you see, during the October to mid-March, the sun shines over the southern hemisphere. Then in the summer season, during mid-March to September, the sun shines over the northern hemisphere. Because of this leads of the development of low pressure area there. Then the Central Asia become very hot on that period. Then the distribution of rainfall. The amount of rainfall in Asia varies from place to place and seasons to season. The area of heavy rainfall more than 200 centimeters per year. The area of moderate rainfall 100 centimeters to there are low rainfall, that is less than 50 centimeters. Then we can see the major climatic type of the Asian continent. Here the equatorial climate, monsoon climate, tropical desert climate, mid-latitude desert climate, Mediterranean climate, temperate grassland climate, China type climate, Manchurian type of climate, taiga climate, tundra climate. These are the climates in the Asian continent. The equatorial climate is found between 10 degree north and 10 degree south latitudes in Malaysia, Indonesia, Sri Lanka and southern parts of the Philippines. The monsoon climate is found in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, southern China. then the parts of Philippines and Sri Lanka. Then this tropical desert climate is experienced by the countries of Arabian Desert in Saudi Arabia and the Thar Desert. Then the mid-latitude desert climate is experienced in the Gobi Desert, Central Asia, so that is Gobi Desert and Mongolia. Then Mediterranean type of climate is found in Turkey, Israel, Syria, Jordan and Lebanon. Then the temperate grassland climate is experienced in the Caspian Sea in Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan and Turkmenistan. Then this type of climate is characterized by cold winter and warm summer. Then the China type of climate, that is China type of climate is found in eastern part of Asia. Then the central and northern China, southern Japan, North Korea and South Korea, these places are experiencing that China type of climate. Then Manchurian type of climate is experienced in the parts of Japan, northeast China and northern parts of Japan, experiencing that Manchurian type of climate. That taiga climate is experienced in the northern Russia and south of the Tundra region. That climate is very characterized by very cold. Then Tundra climate, that is taiga climate, Then Tundra climate, that is Tundra climate is found in northern coast of Asia. That is characterized by a long and very cold. The taiga climate is very cold. The Tundra climate is long and very cold. Okay. Then the winter is very short and cool summer. The summer also very cool. That is called as the Tundra climate. That climate is occurs in the northern coast of Asia only. The natural vegetations and wildlife of that Asian continent is equatorial forest, monsoon forest, desert vegetation, Mediterranean forest, steppes, temperate forest, taiga forest, tundra vegetation. The equatorial forest is found in this equatorial forest. The main animals are monkey, sloth, lizard, snake, ape, elephant and the large variety of birds are there in the equatorial forest. The desert vegetation, this one is found in the southwest and central Asia. In this, wild yak is found in the cold desert, especially in Tibet. Then Mediterranean forest. In this forest, citrus fruit trees are also grow, and here chestnut, walnut, olive, the oak, these are available in Mediterranean forest. In steppes, antelope, mule and wolf are the animals found in steppes. In the temperate forest, there are ape, monkey, fox, pheasant and crane is available in temperate forest. In the taiga forest, that broad belt in the central part of Siberia, and in this taiga forest, the timber and the trees we are using for timber work, that and the mac pulp, paper and rayon, these kind of foods, these kinds of trees are available. And bear, Arctic fox, sable and mink, these animals are found in the taiga forest. In the tundra vegetation, in this tundra region is mostly covered with ice for throughout the year. In this time here nothing will be grow, but the lichen, the animals are reindeer, polar bear and polar dog. Seal and walrus are found in the Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is fully covered with icebergs, no? They are these kinds of the seals, we can see that, no, that and the polar bears, these things only available in the tundra vegetation, tundra region, tundra vegetation, because that is long and very cold, very cool climate, so there is no other trees will be grown.